Welcome to another How-To by Schlagel Manufacturing. Strip Freshener Kit for the Rapid Till by Schlagel Manufacturing. In less than 5 minutes per row, you can convert your Schlagel Rapid Till to a strip freshener. To convert your Rapid Till, remove the wavy coulter. Remove the 3 bolts that attach the knife to the shank and remove the knife. Use the existing bolts to attach a uniquely designed bracket with the V-notch pointing forward to the shank. Take the freshening wheels with the fingers pointed back and the spacer on the inside of the hub and attach 1 wheel on each side of the bracket. Replace the wavy coulter. Repeat this process on each Rapid Till unit to complete your conversion. Schlagel Manufacturing. By farmers, for farmers.